Bro, the new bike looking fresh.
So guys, today we've got a couple customers coming down, one with an Ultra Bee, one with a Talaria MX5, and we're also testing out some new parts on the shop bike. But there is one massive problem, and that is that Will bought his bike like this. So with 2 hours to go until the customers arrive, we are fitting new wheels, new suspension, all new accessories from Warp 9, and getting the bike in rideable order before they get here. Major stressful, but yeah, we got it done. Okay, so got the Sirris in, on the rear the Warp 9 triangle, the new Zerk portable grease nipples. We're just about to get the rear on, we're just putting some grease in there now.
Hell no, man, what the fuck, man?
New wheels, new suspension, new motor, not new battery. Go on, bounce up and down, let me see your linkage clearance. Oh, you're dialed, you're good. Let's go. Super muddy. We just hit the first trail, it's like a bog, so we're gonna hit some others. This is going up towards the high point, but hopefully it's drier, guys. It's like, it's sick. I haven't been out on the Ultra in 7 weeks. I've missed it so much, man. Oh, we're gonna have to get back to Daniel on this one. Hey! Hey! Bro, look what you've done to my goggles. You're going up the hill? Are you going up the hill?
Yeah, boy.
Your tyre's a bit bald as well on the front. When you slow down is when it's so hard to start again. Slow you go guys. This way. man.
It's gonna be too much though.
Yeah. Yeah, no, you've done a good job, yeah, I'll tell you that.
How the forks?
Huh?
How the forks feeling?
Yeah, good. We did like bottom out on the shop going up there, but
You jumped about 30 feet.
I don't know what I was doing, yeah.
You went over that crest and you flew about 30 feet into the uphill mud.
Now I'm going there. What's the difference? I got my aim for a shock here or what?
Yeah,
Proper.
yeah. 40 kilowatts instead of 12.
Is that the feel that comes
That's
with the machine?
FX throttle. Do you know that guy?
No.
You don't know?
No, that's important.
I ain't gonna lie, that's sick. I will put it up to the next part. That's weird, but I ain't gonna lie. I felt like it looks like a high power gun. Yeah, the power, they in the road, it's different. Yeah, no, the full that's the shadow guy.
That thing's rattled, mate.
I'll be honest,
That does mine 4.
Wait, I came over.
No!
and this bloke's watching YouTube.
No, I ain't. I fucking listen to my music depending on calling me, bro. Handy, man. I
You
ain't
got a
gonna lie.
charger? You're the type of guy to play it, bro.
No, I ain't got a
No, you
charger.
do.
I thought you actually ain't, didn't it?
You live around here like a long time?
I've lived in this area my whole life, but I've only been riding these for like 3-4 years around here. But it's massive. It's so big you can't actually memorize it. You have to like every time I come out, basically. That's probably part of my like autistic ADHD side as well. I always get lost in this fucking forest. We just stick to the ones that we know.
Can you Strava it and re-follow it?
No,
No.
it's massive.
You did do that at the
It's
start.
fucking 13 miles long.
Okay.
In one direction, 13 miles. But yes, the map. The map for the forest is the size of a double bed. Fold it out and it's like an AA book.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so that was a bit of a long-winded ride, first one in a long while, a bit rusty but it was fun nonetheless. I'm going to sign off in a minute when we get back to unit. I didn't run back the way that doesn't have to go on the road too much because yeah, the roads are a bit boring, that's not what they're made for. Right guys, ride is finished, it's now the next day. I've got loads of cleaning up to do on the bikes and my clothes, but do me a favor, if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you consider subscribing down below, leave a like, drop a comment what your favorite part of the video was. Mine personally was when the two guys fell over, but yeah. As always guys, my name's been Stingy, I hope you've enjoyed it and I'll see you next week.